Alright, so today I'm going to tell you about my Slayer exciter circuit and Tesla coil. Get this out of the way. Anyway, so what I've built is an EMF emitter. And basically what that is, it's an electromagnetic field that will pulsate a little bit and turn on things such as fluorescence or fluorescence and neon lights, anything that has a gas. And so here is the circuit of the board, and as you can see, it's actually very simple. All you have is a 12 volts leading into it with two resistors, a transistor, this black bit right there. Then you have the capacitor, which is this silver cylindrical thing right next to the capacitor, and then it all leads. It's supposed to lead to a diode, which I do not have on here, but once it does that, then it will basically turn on and off very fast, which creates a field around this whole copper tube, and that's what will excite any sort of particles that come within contact of it. Things that went well for this, not the circuit, because it's so simple that there's a lot of different variables that can go wrong, such as resonance, which is the frequency. You have to get a certain amount of frequency in order for it to turn on and off with the transistor very fast. I probably would have changed how this whole little circuit works by using a larger transistor that would have been able to handle more voltage within it. But building this tube right here was actually very simple and easy. It was just finding time to wind all this copper wire around a piece of PVC pipe, which actually costed, this whole apparatus right here probably costed maybe less than 30 cents, because I was able to scrap most of everything I have. So it's actually very cheap to build these. Everything you see in here I either already had or just pulled out of old electronics, which we have a bucket of down there, that green bucket, if you can see it, probably not. But anyway, I guess I will show you now this thing in action. Alright, see, there's a red light. Now there's not a red light. There is a fluorescent bulb in the way now. So this is what I mean by it's creating an electromagnetic field where it can excite the particles within this tube, and I've touched it, so now it's kind of weakened. Let's see if I can get it back. There we go. There you go. Kind of. Anyway, it's a little fiddly because mine is not superbly built. But no, with this, as you can see, it works just fine. I put the top load on it because it helps give it some power, but not too much. Basically, that's all there is to this Slayer circuit. Yeah.